Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes fix video TDR failure error in Windows 10 and Windows 11. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Display Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Second method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan, click Advanced Plan Settings. Click and expand Wireless Adapter Settings, click and expand Power Saving Mode, select Maximum Power Saving. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type power CFG space, -H space, off. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.